Hey everyone, welcome to your favorite channel and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to my heart and stomach: healthy fast food. Think fast food can't be healthy? Think again. From McDonald's to Starbucks, there are secret menu hacks and smart swaps that can transform your fast food order into a nutritious meal. We're diving deep into the menus of your favorite fast food spots and uncovering the hidden gems that taste amazing and leave you feeling energized, not weighed down. Stick around. I'm about to share the top healthy fast food options you probably didn't know about. Get ready to revolutionize your fast food game and make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor. Let's do this. Let's start with the OG of fast food, McDonald's. We've all been there, craving that iconic Big Mac and fries combo. But let's be real, that's a one-way ticket to Calorie City. Instead of a Big Mac and fries, opt for a grilled chicken sandwich, hold the mayo, and a side of apple slices. You heard me right, apple slices at McDonald's. They're the perfect sweet and refreshing side to balance out the savory grilled chicken. Plus, you'll save over 500 calories and still enjoy a delicious meal. Imagine you can satisfy your McDonald's craving and still feel good about your choices afterward. McDonald's is all about having it your way, so don't be afraid to get creative. Load up your grilled chicken sandwich with extra lettuce, tomato, and onion for a boost of fiber and flavor. Ask for mustard instead of mayo to cut down on fat and calories. And if you're feeling extra virtuous, skip the cheese altogether. If you're craving that salty, crispy goodness, opt for a small order of fries instead of a large. And here's a pro tip: share them with a friend. Everything's better with a buddy, right? You can absolutely enjoy a satisfying and healthier meal at McDonald's without feeling deprived. Next up, we're heading to Chipotle, the holy grail of customizable burritos. Now, Chipotle is a great option for healthy fast food because they use fresh, high-quality ingredients. But those burritos can be deceivingly massive. I mean, they're practically the size of your head. But fear not, my friends, I've got the ultimate Chipotle hack for you. Ditch the tortilla and go for a burrito bowl. That's right, embrace the bowl. You'll still get all the deliciousness of a burrito without the extra carbs from the tortilla. Start with a base of brown rice for a dose of fiber and complex carbs. Next, pile on those black beans for plant-based protein and fiber. Then, load up on fajita veggies for a colorful and nutrient-packed punch. For protein, grilled chicken or sofritas are both excellent choices. Finally, top it off with a scoop of salsa for a burst of freshness and flavor. Pro tip: ask for light rice and beans to keep your portions in check. And if you're really watching your calorie intake, skip the cheese and sour cream. So go ahead, build your dream burrito bowl and enjoy every healthy and flavorful bite. Alright, let's talk Starbucks, because let's be honest, no fast food health journey is complete without a Starbucks run. I mean, who can resist their tempting array of lattes, frappuccinos, and pastries? But those sugary drinks and treats can really add up calorie-wise. But don't despair, coffee lovers, because I'm about to share some Starbucks hacks that will satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your health goals. Let's start with their legendary lattes. Love their creamy, comforting goodness, but not the sugar overload? I feel you. Here's the trick: order a tall latte with almond milk and no syrup. That's right, ditch the sugary syrups and opt for the natural sweetness of almond milk. You'll be amazed at how creamy and satisfying it is without all the added sugar. Plus, almond milk is a great source of vitamin E and antioxidants. Now let's talk snacks. Starbucks has really upped their snack game lately, offering a variety of healthier options to keep you fueled on the go. One of my personal favorites is their protein boxes. They're perfect for keeping hunger at bay without going overboard on calories. These protein boxes typically come with a hard-boiled egg, fruit, cheese, and a small side of nuts. So there you have it, folks. With a few simple swaps and smart choices, you can enjoy your favorite Starbucks treats without the guilt. So there you have it, my friends. Those are just a few of my favorite healthy fast food options that you probably didn't know about. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be about deprivation or complicated meal prep. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks every week. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring those menu hacks.